He comes this time and he tries giving us dodgy answers and a dodgy presentation of giving us the TOR for the environment impact assessment, which has nothing to do with the DPR. It is based on the DPR, but it's not the DPR itself. And therefore, when I had documents under RTI, by which I was confronting him with the DPR, which we officially got under RTI, he tried to say that that the information under RTI was not correct because office was busy and there was some confusion, which is an outright lie. Do you want to say that RTI replies are to be given just like this and false replies are to be given to those who give raise queries? Then finally asked him the next question as to when the DPR was prepared and finalized, approved by the government and sent to the ministry. He got very upset on this, and then he tried to say that the chief minister died and then the new chief minister came and took some time. But I pointed out to him the chief minister died in March and this answer was given in August. And then the DPR was prepared in October and approved by the government in November, sent by the government in November 2019 to the central government. So the question was, when he came in July, what did he tell us? Was it a truth or was it a lie? Now feeling that he was cornered, he suddenly got up and said that he cannot continue with this kind of things. He cannot.
The subject on environment impact report, which was a very, very important question. Last time Tani te Visalale Tanna, he could not answer it. There Tanchi question what is this jetty? Point number 3, it is how big is this jetty and the purpose. On this he has explained. Is DPR required? Aldona Gramsabha member is DPR required? That is a detailed project report required to be prepared under SAGARMALA project. So ye question taka include karle, and I think he could not answer it. I don't know. He explained to them, but I think it was not satisfactory. Keda kam chadorian zaite ari galaita, then they Konkani galta, Kawa galta. So tanche whether they would be disabled. It was the concern of the Gram Sabha, so they kind of last time. Based on his presentation, like whatever the queries would come, I told him to be prepared for that, and I think he was quite prepared for it. But suddenly some questions which he was not prepared for were asked, and he was a little much